Okay, I should be live on YouTube in a minute, and let me start Twitter too. So everything should be up. Let's see. Let me also tweet about it. Go tweet. Okay, I am live on Twitter, on YouTube, everywhere. Okay, let's not reset it. Today we are just gonna stream for 55 minutes instead of normal 60. And we yesterday we were trying to okay, ignore this part. I'm just learning Rust, and those were the notes. So yeah, scripts, deploy and we were somewhere here, right? No, yesterday we were trying to do this and we were getting an error. Let's go in the liquid staking, and error was in the deposit. Deposit, no, get, okay, deposit message dot value into exchange. We are getting exchange rate, so that's not an issue. We know that because we tried it. Obviously, you see this exchange rate is there, and we actually false. Okay, so we can actually run it, and I'll just show you. Npx hard at run scripts. Okay, sorry about that. So as I was saying, this you can see we have exchange rate 1, but I don't know why we are getting that. We shouldn't we shouldn't get that exchange rate, because we do know both of these are false. So both when both of those are false, it should be false. Both are true, true. One is false and other is true, then we'll get false. For this also, vice versa will get false, and if both are true, uh, no, if both are false, we are gonna get false. Yeah, let's check it. Also, how many? Okay, do we can we read this part? False. Let's make it public. We'll set this to true for now. Then we'll try the next part. Okay, now we want say trace, say scan. One for checking. Is it say trace or say stream? Okay, no. Say trace. Okay. Okay. Close testnet. Testnet. Do we have like dark version for this? I guess we don't. Okay, ignore that. Home governance asset. Nothing works. Oh, we didn't actually need to deploy. Now we do, because we already got everything we need here. Let's see if this doesn't work, we'll go and check those addresses. Okay, this is the correct one. Now we got transaction reverted, transaction execution reverted. Let's take this address, stop this, we'll set this to false and go down, change the address. We have this, we get the exchange rate. Now we'll say flag equal to await liquid staking contract dot not staked console.log what is the value of staked flag console.log flag, and let's try to run it again. We'll get exchange rate and we'll get not staked. Okay, we have set flag correctly. We are getting exchange rate, but I don't know which branch we are hitting. Can we I have an idea. Should we try that? Go down here, remove this, we'll say branch equal to 1, branch equal to 2. Now we need to remove all these view functions because Okay, let's go at the top and say validator count. Copy, go down. Oh, okay. No, I know for we are gonna refactor it and make it better, because right now there is no style, consistent style anywhere. Okay, we are not calling actual this, but we are calling we are instead we are gonna call rest of the things, uh, the flags, which are view functions and which are okay, I guess. Let's deploy that and see if we don't get an execution error or something like that. How many people are watching? Oh, on Twitter, one view. On YouTube, two views. Me and my brother. So, I guess not many. And I don't know if Twitter calculates my own views, because I have the stream going on Twitter. Yes, there was one viewer for a minute and they just dropped. I can't blame them. I know what content I make, so thank God they understood. No, we don't want this error. We want transaction executed error. This is some Cosmos based error that doesn't that's not very useful, because we can't trace not trace it. We can't decode it. Okay, let's hope we get transaction execution error. Yes, that's the error we want. Let's copy this and check if we can get few things. We have flag, then what are other branch? Okay, let me type type it actually, because I want to make sure my typing speed is good. Most of because right now I do a lot of mistakes while typing. Anyway, first is which branch was executed, question mark. Then we have console.log branch, and then we will have validator count equal to await liquid staking s underscore validator count console.log what was the validator count question mark console.log validator count was this. Let's run this and we'll get some values hopefully. False to 1. Okay, which was okay, get exchange rate. That's not a view function now, so can we say static call? Will that work? No. Dot static call. Okay. Okay, let's make some one more change. Get delegation amount, we get this, right? But it's an internal function and we don't actually know. So what we can do is we'll say un 256 we'll remove that. We'll say total delegation. Now un 256 public s underscore total delegation s underscore total delegation equal to total delegation comma return total delegation, and I guess that's correct. We still need to change the flag. True. Oh, people are here. Who is here? Oh, Nakul like the Twitter tweet. Yeah, it was not a thread. Let's see. Anyway, we are getting wrong error. I don't know why Cosmos. These are Cosmos errors. These are not. These are not EVM errors or contract errors. I know team was talking about something related to not being able to RPCs not being able to do something. What was that? Or not being able to. There was some issue where there is word for it. I don't remember exactly. Okay, why are we getting these errors again and again? If this was something I don't know, we don't have anything, any reverts. So unless contract is throwing something, I don't know. But again, contract won't throw this, right? Yes. Now we have it. We'll change this and say const, what was it? Total delegation equal to await liquid staking dot s underscore total delegation console dot log what is total delegated amount of liquid staking contract question mark console dot log total delegation. Okay, let's try to run it. Okay, sup, dude, it should. No, we want to go here and find out this address. You see, we have delegated this, but we are not able to read that value. So I guess we found the error. Let's go to interfaces, precompile, and we are getting delegation, right? So staking, and staking we have balance amount. Okay, there is no say balance here, so I'm pretty sure there should be branch 1 was executed, flag is set to false. Can we use tenderly transaction simulator? Say network, supported networks. Let me search. Say, yeah, say I'm gonna open the tenderly on other account, not on this, and see if tenderly works. Oh shit, my PC is lagging, so if the stream freezes, please do remember. I'm working on PC that's overloaded. It's not the CPU, it's the GPU that's overloaded. Where can I go in this? Not personal, search for hashes. Okay, we do have this hash. See Atlantic. Okay, I can actually see it. Let me create. Okay, create scene, Brave. I know there is window capture, browser, and then Brave Tenderly. Okay, you guys can see this, right? So this is our sender. This is so this is the wallet. This is the liquid staking contract. Then liquid staking contract. What's this? Verify contract. Optional save. Yeah, probably it won't happen. Can we get function selector? Oh no, I'm going back. I'm not showing you guys this function selector. So Solidity database. There is a yes, 4 bytes dot directory. I don't know if it does. Okay, right. So what it is doing is it's calling total supply. That works. It's calling. Okay, error happens here. We try to call this, and this is the address. So this is one of the pre-compiles. Yeah, this is. Let's check which precompile is that. Is the distribution precompile, and we only have one function that we are calling, which is rewards. For some reason, it's not doing that. Also, in the artifacts source, liquid staking, JSON, and then no, we want deposit. Do we see any function selectors? Okay, back to Brave. We are calling this function. This function. I don't know which one is it. Is it deposit or bytecode? No. Deployed bytecode? No. Build info. Okay, yes, it's we formatted that. Can we find this anywhere? Okay, maybe we just have to do this manually. I'm pretty sure that's deposit, and we are getting error from precompile, and that error is nothing. Okay, should we do another transaction? Let's open this and new same thing. So we are just calling sticking precompile here. We are not calling any other precompile. And let me so when we are not calling precompile, it works. We can go back here in the script. Here we are doing static call, right? Let's not do that. Let's just do a call and we'll see. It will be a transaction, right? So we'll see that on Explorer. You see, this works. Go back to Brave, search for that transaction. Okay, it's fetching the data. Okay, why do we have an error when we call the precompile? That's the main. So we figured out the error, which is in distribution precompile. We are not able to figure that out for the last few streams. And it's an external call, right? So let's go back to VS Code. Liquid staking, and we have error here. Okay. Can we emit something? Let me see the try catch syntax. Try catch solidity. Oh, we have this. Let's try. I completely forgot. Try catch rewards query failed bytes data. Now we'll say emit rewards copy no reason. Can we just say revert? Just give me a second. Okay, ignore this. We'll just revert with revert rewards and then say reason emit. Okay, now we know the reason. I need to figure out why we are getting an error. That error from precompile, it's not our logic error or something like that, it's precompile error, which is more irritating. Let's check it. If we have execution error, we are golden. Yes, we do. Now back to tenderly. Okay, we need to change the address. Oh, sorry, I was on this part, and we will see another error. Okay, probably I'm doing something wrong. Show details. We called get exchange rate. It worked perfectly. Let me copy hash. What? We get the delegated amount. So can we do like a static call and see if that actually works? Okay, when they return it, it's an USE format. Do we get same? Okay, no, we did another call, right? No, we did static call. We didn't actually do function call. I guess people who are actually watching and are developers, they're pretty sure are judging me hard because I'm not doing that interesting stuff and everything is wrong. So I don't really mind. Anyway, this thing works. Let's see. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. I don't know how long I was showing you my YouTube. Anyway, I was trying to do this here. That's why I don't want Brave, my actual browser. I was saying we need to check the delegation. Delegation is now what we need to do is transactions EVM back to Brave, and now you are actually seeing what I want you guys to see, which is this. Successful deposit, get exchange rate, deposit. I also don't know what these things are. Accept token ownership of token. Oh, they are actually nicely doing this. And the deposit, don't they actually? Let's see what this is. Okay, let me. Oh, yes, that's not the API, that's the whole file. Select option, deposit, value 0.02. Can we say simulate transaction? Okay, let's say 2. Okay, rewards is failing somewhere along the lines. Okay, I don't understand why reward keeps failing. I need a better way to debug it, but we can't debug it on Foundry. Say local say local node there is an issue. I think there is the issue is same on both on testnet and mainnet. I think we are querying rewards, right? But there might be some error in calculations where in this part somewhere. I know this function works because we tried to call it manually, right, yesterday, and everything was peachy. We got the rewards. Also, should we check like which validator count is getting set? So that's correct. There is no issue with that. Is issue somewhere here? No, it's based on the tenderly output. It's not. It's in the it's in this part. The distribution thing. Okay. Okay. Who knows how that thing works? And it I need a way to figure out what's happening in the precompile and what's happening in this function. Maybe I'll log multiple logs. I'll add multiple logs and see what's happening. Anyway, I think our timer got reset to 57 minutes, but we don't have that much. We only have few minutes left. And we did make some progress where we are what we are doing. We know now what was the root cause, which is calling rewards function. Also, give me a second. cast dash dash help. Is there a sig? Sig, yes. Sig from get function selector. Cast sig dash dash help. Okay, we have that. Or no, not here. Interfaces, taking distribution JSON, control F, rewards. Oh, I guess I have. We also have outright out I distribution JSON. Please format it, and we go here. Instead of sig, what we can pass? Optimize JSON. No. I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to give me the function signature. Give me function signature for rewards function. Okay, really? It's saying run this and you'll get something. Is it similar to? Oh yeah, we are getting error from rewards. You can see here this, and the one we generated is same. So we know rewards function is the one where we are getting the error, and that's great, because till now I was thinking we are doing something wrong, but now I know for sure we are not doing anything wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up the stream 5 minutes early, and yeah, I guess you guys know what we are doing tomorrow. We are gonna debug this and go to the bottom of it and see what we are doing wrong, what we are doing, why we are getting that particular error. So okay, have a yeah. Before that, if you are watching on Twitter, please do follow, like and follow. If you are watching on YouTube, do like and subscribe, and go to other platform that I mentioned and do those activities. Also, do share these videos with people. I know they are not very well done, but I appreciate whatever you guys can do. Anyway, so what's okay? That's about it. Have a nice day and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.